Hey, brother. So yeah, just real quickly, it shouldn't take you too long at all. Looks like you've already written out the content for the summaries, or the summaries for each email. So you just need to log into the reporting GMS email, which is I think it's just GMS reporting 18. I gave you the password before, so you should be able to jump in. But yeah, just jump in. Just obviously just plug it in. You can even just copy the template that I've written like that, for example. Just grab the link for the report from. Oh, fuck. Fuck off. Ugh. Grab the link for the report from here. So, obviously, Cub, just copy that. And then just chuck that into there. You've already written something out, so just copy and paste that into there and send it off to the right people. If you want to know who is on there, you should already know the clients, but you can just probably copy that. Um, so yeah, just copy all the emails in there. They should all be for each. So just copy them over and plug them in there. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, and then just shoot them off. Shouldn't take you too long, man. But I've just got to get through all my emails. I've fucking haven't even touched them, and I've got a fair bit to get through before I can log off tonight. But yeah, if you can do that, that would be sick. Thanks, brother.